Do you need to hold your threads when you start to sew? I'm going to show you a quick little secret on the Singer CE677 that will hopefully save you some time as well as eliminate some frustration that you might have had on previous machines. Now, since this machine is a computerized machine, when you lower the presser foot down, the foot will sit on the threads. And as you start to sew, everything will work just as it should. Now here's the trick. On this machine, the needle always stops up. Or if you've touched the button, maybe you have stitched and then the needle is stopping in the down position, is what I want you to do is always touch the button to bring the needle to the highest position. Now why the button? Well, here's what happens. When you actually turn the hand wheel and try to bring the needle to the highest position, you don't always complete the stitch. Now right in here, there is a take-up lever. Now, though the needle is up, the take-up lever isn't at its highest position. Let me show you. As I turn the hand wheel, did you see that movement? You can see that it's right now at the highest point. When the machine is at the highest point, which is where it is when you touch the button, you will find that you have completed this stitch. When you lift up the presser foot and you pull your fabric out and cut the thread, when you start to sew, the machine is at the exact point where you do not have to hold these threads for you to start stitching. Now, some of you have held threads because if you didn't, the thread came out of the needle or it kind of jammed up. That was because it hadn't finished the last stitch. But by this being at the highest position all the time, by when you start and stop with the needle at the highest point, it eliminates all that problems that people run into. So I do try to encourage students to maybe stop turning the hand wheel and let the machine do the work for you. And by the way, it'll solve like 80% of people's sewing problems by starting and stopping with the take-up lever in the highest position. If this was helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give this video a like, and also check out all the free video tutorials that we're doing on the Singer CE677. And if you have a different Singer machine, you'd probably be surprised of how similar all the Singer models are together. So keep watching, and I hope you learned something new.